Insert 2 decoders into the machine. Install car key clamp and then fix calibration block on it. Press Setup button and then press First Next button to enter the calibration interface. Press Start button to calibrate the distance between decoder and cutter. Click the image of Change tool to decoder, ready to continue the calibration. Disassemble the car key clamp, then fix the single-sided key clamp. Press the Close button to go back to home page, and then press Setup button and First Next button to enter the calibration interface. Select 3 clamp. Please make sure the key clamp is same as the screen shown. Click the image to continue the calibration. Press the Close button to go back to home page, and then press Setup button to the device setup interface. Press Decoder button and choose single-sided key clamp to calibrate the decoder length. Replace the right decoder to a cutter. Press Cutter button and choose single-sided key clamp to calibrate the cutter length.